Family of courses in the cement industry. Present to you. Brief overview of magnetic belt conveyor. Self-cleaning electromagnet or magnetic belt conveyor is a suspended overband magnet system that automatically removes ferrous, iron and containing contaminants from a conveyor belt. It features a motor-driven, continuously rotating belt with cleats that encircle the electromagnet. As the belt moves, it sweeps accumulated metal away from the magnetic face and discharges it outside the product flow. This self-cleaning mechanism prevents buildup, maintains consistent magnetic strength, and enables continuous, high-throughput operations without manual cleaning or process interruptions. How it works. 1. Suspension. The electromagnet is suspended above a conveyor belt carrying bulk materials. 2. Attraction. The powerful magnetic field attracts, and holds ferrous materials within the material flow. 3. Automated cleaning. A self-cleaning belt with cleats rotates continuously around the electromagnet. 4. Discharge. As ferrous material is attracted to the belt's surface, the cleats sweep it across the magnet's face. Once the material leaves the magnetic field, it is discharged from the belt into a bin or designated area. 5. Continuous operation. This continuous, automatic removal ensures that the magnet's face remains clean, allowing it to operate at peak efficiency without manual intervention or downtime. Benefits. 1. Increased throughput. Continuous operation and automatic cleaning lead to higher material processing rates. 3. Reduced labor costs. Eliminates the need for manual cleaning of the magnet, saving on labor and time. 3. Enhanced safety. Reduces hazards associated with manual cleaning of powerful magnets. 4. Protection of equipment. Prevents tramp metal from entering, and damaging downstream processing equipment. 5. Consistent performance. Maintains maximum magnetic strength by preventing ferrous buildup on the magnet's face. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this channel with your friends, and spread the word. More exciting videos are on the way.